Alright, we're at part 2 here because it was incredibly hot outside and I was getting UV radiation and I don't feel like getting Hiroshima twice. Okay.
What's this area? There are big-time Harley biker gangs in Israel. They're awesome. Cash, do you have that blue mark on your lower back? Don't do it. Aw, fuck. Do it.
What's the difference between...
hair.
I still needed to cut it a little bit more.
What do they call it? A Mongolian mark. You got oyster clippers, didn't you? I heard that Asian men have it. Ha 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 ha. Now you look like Mao Zedong. Lol, you got sick of hair. That's funny. Oh.
See? I'm glad
WTF. We are going full-blown monk here.
Dude, so this is a reverse mohawk. This is the reverse mohawk. Fellas.
OMG.
What does it look like?
Just leave it like that. You just have stuck it all in a fucking bag. At Kyomikan_CHWWW.
It's alright. It's all collected right here.
Looks great. What the hell did I just step into?
I told you I was gonna shave.
Looks like you got Hiroshima'd again. Now that is an amazing Chinese haircut.
Thank
From
you.
Samurai Battles Gone Wrong. Blue. 夏はめっちゃ楽そうでいいな。
やってみた方がいいと思うよ。渋谷おいで切ってあげるよ。
I am going to bed. Have a good one, man, and enjoy the hair, lol. You know Gene is gonna have a shit on this, lol.
Dude, I do it every year. You guys, dude, D2. You. Anyways, oh, that feels so good. I can already tell.
Your scalp is whiter than I am. You look like the Avatar: The Last Airbender.
Thanks.
Imagine the battery ran out now, lol.
Well, when I would still go in the shower. I'm pretty close to it being done, so pretty close. Like the rest, I have to shave, right?
Yeah, your head is going to need some UV roof after this.
Oh my god, dude, there's so much hair. How? I cut the shit out of it.
Now you gonna be like Krillin. Are we doing an all-over body sort of thing too?
I could. Wow. This is so itchy, dude.
You look like Donald Trump. There you go.
The Asians, I love the Asians very much. They're very Asian. I can't tell
Like
the
a
difference
Chinese guy.
between one Asian and another. But I love the Japanese. The Japanese very nice, very, very sunny. We We have two sons, one in Hiroshima, one in Nagasaki. The Prime Minister knows something a little bit about that. Fucking idiot guy, dude. That was so funny, dude. He pulled the Johnny Salami and got away with it. Oh my god.
Is it the Chinese or the Koreans are like that?
Jesus. Oh my god.
The top of your head is skull white.
Am I doing it properly? Oh my god, there's so much hair in my ass crack right now.
Yeah, you need some sun up there.
Nah.
The back of your head is reticulous. Give it a week. It'll transform. All the microorganisms on your hair crying right now.
Good. Fuck them. It'd be crazy if it
Should
was
have
like...
put a guard on it, like a number 2, then number 1 after. It's hard to shave all the way down like you were doing. I think I saw a few fleas and lice jump ship.
Jesus. Dude, how did I get so much hair and then there's more? That was like half of it. Oh, I'm so itchy, dude. I got itchy. Oh, I look like a heroin addict, but... This is so itchy, dude. Dude, it doesn't stop. Oh, it's
アットキャ
getting...
ミケン_CH 来るときにさ一番やりたいのは祭りでキリン一番搾りを飲むこと最高
What do you think? You've completely destroyed the microorganism ecosystem. They're all in panic right now.
Until I shave it, I don't think that's the case, right?
Definitely have a good shower after this. You're done. Go out for a walk now.
No, dude.
Sorry, Cash. I know you are against the drinking.
I'm not against the drinking. You do you.
I updated to Windows 11 and now my SSD is always thinking pretty hard. Fuckers.
アットソングアンダーバーアンダーバーウィンドウいいね唐揚げも屋台で買ったりね
I'm not going to overdo it. I remember you telling us Aya flipped the first time you shaved your head.
Yeah.
Win 11 is pure ass. After God switched to Linux, problem solved.
Dude, Linux solves no problems. You guys are fucking crazy for
ア
that.
ットキャミケンアンダーバー CH 日本文化だよねそれ
Like,
Make sure to buy a new cat after this to complete the shock.
don't worry, I got hats. You can thank Peach for
You said
that.
that the Linux people are all toxic lol. Why doesn't Linux solve any problems?
It just doesn't. Not in my experience. Except for if you want something that's super light on an old computer.
No issues with Win 10 on my old laptop.
Yeah, I haven't had any issues with Windows 11, but I think you need a decent spec computer for that. Could be wrong though. I mean, like one of my Windows 11 builds is on a 10.
Kinda sucks. I was playing with it a few months ago.
Yeah, for streaming it doesn't solve anything, except if I was to like commercialize it, yeah, everything would be on Ubuntu.
Less spyware on Linux. No. Are you going to bust out the yarmulke this stream?
Oh yeah, we're gonna wear that shit. This is the yarmulke that Peach gave me. She got me 20 yarmulkes, one really like silk expensive one, and then the rest are like kind of just Amazon whatever. I think they're one's made in Hawaii or something. I heard that they have blue houses in Hawaii. It just never ended.
Is your wife Jewish too?
She didn't. She's not. But she didn't. She was telling me in the beginning that she'd be okay, like, to my rabbi. Or she was like, "What's the procedure
I'm
in
sure
order
there's
to
a
get?"
Jewish holiday coming up. There always is. Imagine you're downtown and you bump into the Grand Rebbe of Tokyo. Cash, you must come to temple right now.
Oh my god, this is wild. We got a Rabbi Dave, and he explained how difficult the procedure of
I don't remember seeing blue houses out there.
It's
Good
a
question
joke.
for Hawaii.
It's a joke. The first rule of China Club is don't talk about China Club. Tell me when it's close enough to where we can shave it in the shower. I think we're getting there. Just a couple more passes here.
Imagine you got kidnapped and thrown into the IDF in Lebanon.
That'd be wild.
Don't forte your sideburns.
Oh, yeah.
Sideburns.
I gotta do these. Thank you for... Yeah, I should leave my Jerry curls. Thanks for reminding me, I almost forgot.
You think living outside the homeland exempts you from your duty? No.
I mean, you think they would trust me with a rocket launcher?
Behind ears a little bit too.
Behind the ears? Like, yeah, tell me.
Let's see the back of your head.
So I got the Twitch chat going as well. That was for you too.
I think they would make you an attack helicopter pilot. Or a tank commander. You need right side shaved more.
Right side shave more? Okay.
And back head.
So this side, right?
What age did they stop drafting?
That's a good question. Probably like 24 or 5. Wait, which side? I'm gonna shave this with a
We
razor.
can see your bald spots clearly now.
There's
Your
no-
right hand side.
Where is there a bald spot? So right side, like whereabouts?
The only way you could escape is if you became Orthodox.
Oh, this side is longer? Am I pretty close though? Would you say I'm like 90%
If you're gonna razor
there?
cut it, should be okay.
Okay. I just feel like there's some spots where I can...
アットキャミ券アンダーバーチャンネル5万円の浴衣を持ってる人全然いない。
You are close enough, I think. Take a big razor to it after.
What does this do?
Down to the skin.
Oh.
Take a bit lighter tip. No, not a lighter. There's not even enough to light now. You could light the bag and toss it somewhere. Where skin folds on back of head then. Is dying.
Yeah, it's running out of batteries.
Cashmeow, the poster boy of the Japan Defense Force.